Not sure how to use your Carrier AC remote? Model number RG10A11U. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Carrier AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The X Eco button activates an extra-efficient power-saving mode that reduces electricity consumption by lowering compressor load while still maintaining comfortable cooling. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Use to confirm and save your selected settings, such as clock, timer, or scheduled operations. Press after adjusting values to finalize the setup. Press the clock button to set the current time on your Carrier AC remote. Setting the correct time ensures your scheduled operations run precisely when needed. The OK button works like a final confirmation key. After selecting or adjusting settings, such as temperature, timer, or swing direction, press OK to execute the command. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. The My Mode button allows you to save and recall your favorite AC settings, like temperature, fan speed, and mode, with just one press. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. Press the LED button to turn the display light on the indoor unit on or off. It's useful at night when you want to reduce brightness without affecting AC performance. Press the Clean button to activate the self-cleaning function. The AC runs a special cycle that dries out moisture and removes dust inside the unit, helping prevent mold buildup and keeping the air fresh. To activate lock mode, press and hold both the Clean and Turbo buttons at the same time. This prevents accidental adjustments to the AC settings. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Carrier AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.